Today, we're diving into an exciting and innovative way to make money, using AI to create music. Whether you're a music lover or just curious about new tech, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn AI music tools. The first step is to familiarize yourself with AI music tools. There are many platforms out there that can generate music, from simple melodies to complex arrangements. Experiment with different options to find the one that suits your style. Step 2. Create unique music. Use AI to create unique and original music pieces. Experiment with different genres, moods, and styles. Remember, while AI is a tool, your creativity is the key to standing out. Step 3. Monetization options. There are several ways to make money with AI-generated music. Sell your music. You can sell your music on platforms like iTunes, Spotify, or Bandcamp. Stock music libraries. Submit your music to stock music libraries used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and other content creators. Music licensing. License your music for use in commercials, movies, or video games. AI music services. Offer AI music generation services to other artists or businesses. NFT music. Explore the world of NFTs to sell unique digital copies of your music. Step 4. Build your brand. Building a strong personal brand is essential. Use social media to showcase your music, connect with your audience, and collaborate with other artists. And that's it. You're now ready to start making money with AI music. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.